teacher at our college, so the chameleon has a new house. The teacher's hairstyle is the best place for a pet to live. So, today is Mr. Wilson's first day of work. The last instructions from the principal, and go! Meet your new teacher, Mr. Wilson. He's kind of weird. That's a normal reaction. It seems like nothing good can be expected from these students. Mr. Wilson will have a hard time. He already has to put up with bullying. It looks like this is war. And instead of a greeting, he gets a paper attack. And this is just the beginning. After all, Mike and Cindy, the main bullies of the class, are already coming up with big plans. Pranking the new teacher is a must. Scissors and tape come in handy. A couple of minutes, and there's an invisible obstacle waiting for Mr. Wilson. There he is. A cobweb made out of tape? You don't know who you're dealing with yet. Flexibility and agility are my special skills. Oops, maybe not on the first try. But I will get through this sticky obstacle. Yeah, something went wrong. Wow, this dude is even funnier than we thought. And meanwhile, the pranksters have a new project. They decided to decorate the teacher's table with foil, along with everything else they see. The globe, the textbooks, the pens and pencils. I think we got everything. Wow! Is this the Silver Age of education? Did I miss World Tinfoil Day? All right then, let's get started. Whoops! A chair made of foil isn't the most comfortable kind of furniture. Who did it? Tell me! It doesn't matter. They're all in cahoots. Mr. Wilson is already thinking about how to get back at the mean teenagers. Flip over the map. Bold move, bro. Here are the students. Cindy goes to the board. And she is clearly not happy with the teacher's attention. Go, Mr. Wilson! Show me where the Mississippi River is. Mississippi what? You don't know? Aha! That's because I turned the map upside down. It's a prank. Yes, very funny. If it hadn't been flipped, I would have found it. But even on the correct map, Cindy can't find the right place. Oh, go sit down already. It stings when the teacher puts you in an awkward position. Well, he better look out. During their next lesson, Mr. Wilson gets a strike back. A zombie invasion! Brains! Brains! Yes, you could definitely use some brains. I need to complain to the principal. I wonder what she's doing. Oh, she's watching a series about a zombie apocalypse. Wow, what a coincidence. Mr. Wilson came just in time. Zombies? In class? Miss Smith knows all the life hacks against them. A correct outfit, the most important part. But what is this? There's peace and quiet in the classroom. These are perfect students. You bothered me for nothing. Who will believe the teacher after that? He'll have to fight alone. Mr. Wilson is determined. Do you like movies about zombies? You'll get your very own zombie, a zombie mask, plus the effect of surprise. It will be great revenge. However, he should have considered something else. You need to hide properly. Mike and Cindy have already figured out the teacher's sneaky plan, but the principal didn't. So, she's the one who has to run into the monster. Ah! Zombie! Kill him! Kill him! Bad luck. Mr. Wilson, you are in serious trouble. And Mike and Cindy are celebrating again. Well, it's okay. Mr. Wilson can think of something else. Thumbtacks are an old trick. Just put a pin on Mike's chair. Here he comes. He sits down and nothing happens. Okay, you just need to add more pushpins. It is useless. You will have to pour the whole box. Don't be shy. Put some more. Mike, take your seat. No way. He doesn't feel anything? Did I get the wrong pins? I'll have to check on it myself. Ouch! It hurts! Mr. Wilson. You just need to put a frying pan down. It seems that the students figured out his stupid prank a long time ago. Poor Mr. Wilson. He has no idea what to do. Maybe he can scare these mean children and set off the alarm? Run for your lives! There's a fire! We will all burn alive! Hurry! Nice try, Mr. Wilson. Why don't you think of something more original? The evacuation failed. Hey, we'll have to go back to evil teacher mode and call the troublemakers to the blackboard. It's Cindy's turn again. But instead of using chalk to write, she starts to eat it. Mr. Wilson is shocked. But not just the chalk. The erasers too? The teacher can't believe his eyes. I should try it too. First, the chalk. Ew! And if you eat it with an eraser? Oh, that's disgusting! Haha, Mr. Wilson got pranked again! How? It's that simple. Cindy didn't eat chalk. It was a marshmallow. And instead of an eraser for the board, there was a delicious chocolate cake. Cindy and Mike are preparing another prank for Mr. Wilson. This time using slime. A lot of slime. They put it in the drawer of the teacher's desk. Ew! It's so green! Shh! The teacher is coming! Here's Mr. Wilson, energetic and serious. But he keeps his composure until he opens his drawer. Oh! Something sticky, cold, and completely disgusting. What's that? Mr. Wilson runs out of the room. Wow! He is so sensitive. But the mean students are already preparing new tortures for him. First, they steal the teacher's glasses, and then take a bar of melted chocolate. Cut a corner and leave a very clear message on the table. Hey. Without glasses, Mr. Wilson can barely see anything. And, of course, he falls into the trap with his hands. He even tries to use the chocolate to wipe off the board. But something strange happens. And then the glasses magically appear on the table. Now Mr. Wilson is in shock. I doubt he figured out that this is chocolate. I will call this artwork The Teacher in Chocolate. I bet $1 that it'll gain a ton of likes. While the teacher is trying to calm down, Mike and Cindy came up with a new prank and pepper his favorite plant. Here's Mr. Wilson. Oh, it's so stuffy in here! Somebody turn on the fan! And that was a mistake! All the pepper from the plant flies right in his face! Hey, what's going on? The pepper prank worked! Next up, chemistry lab work! Mr. Wilson hands the reagents to the students. But Mike and Cindy have other plans for them. They will need some Elmer's glue for this prank. While Mr. Wilson is muttering something by the board, Cindy applies glue to Mike's hand. She rubs it thoroughly and lets it dry. Now you need to start acting. Ouch! How painful! And Mr. Wilson is terrified. It's a chemical burn! Oh no! Oh no! You made the teacher pass out! Hey, look! The skin is coming off in pieces! Great, he's gonna faint again! Playing on the teacher's computer when he's gone? That's bold! Mr. Wilson is obviously not happy. What an interesting game. You have to concentrate to get through the maze to the end. Ah! What is this? Never heard of the game The Maze of Horror? Wow, he is definitely from another planet. But even the most determined pranksters can't avoid taking a test. The atmosphere in this classroom is tense. And Mr. Wilson is already determined. Hey. Not everyone will pass this test on the first try. Hand in your work. Well, just like I thought. Mike and Cindy get bad grades. And with an interesting addition. An F minus? Is this a prank? Yes, Cindy, it's a prank. And Mr. Wilson has the last laugh. Did you like our teacher prank video? Then comment below and tell us how you get along with your new teachers. Give this video a like Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss new sketches about school from Troom Select.